y'all, it's Alexis back with another video. So this is going to be a get ready with me type of video. I'm going to be doing hair and makeup. So we had some little bit of technical difficulties throughout the video. That's neither here nor there, but we figured it out. Well, we smooth sailing. We got the entire look recorded, but if you're wanting to see, hey y'all, so I just decided to do another wig install, but I'm gonna do it pretty much from start to finish. I haven't cut anything. All I did was put on my first cap and slick down my edges because we need those. So let's get started. So all I do is I put the second cap on, cut out the ear tabs, and there we go. I think I need a new set of scissors. These dulling down, like these used to be so good. Yeah, these used to be so good, but they getting real dull. And like I usually, with the caps, I usually use a HD cap, but I ran out of those and I have so many of them. I believe I said this in like my last video. And the hair companies, like, I mean, like the wigs, they have the wig caps that come with them. So like, why not use them? So but the thing about that, I can't really see my what is it, my hairline as good. So like, I have to go in with makeup and like trace out what I can see, so I can make sure I place the glue exactly where it's supposed to be. And just go all the way around my hairline. I kind of got a big head. Ain't no condom. I got a big head. And just do that. And dog, I knew I was forgetting something. I had got everything. I need a popsicle stick. But then I go in with the, hold on. I go in with the Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. This has been my holy grail up to hair glues. Like, since it didn't like cool down, just a tad bit. It didn't cool down just a tad bit. I can wear wigs again. Like, actually have them on for more than one day. Okay. I go around the hairline and I just rub it in. Yeah, and I just let that dry down naturally. Ooh, I should have brought my iPad in here. Let's speed this up a little bit. And I do this on cool air if I ever do it. Okay, and then once that's dried down, at the edge of the glue, that's where I start cutting. My bad, y'all. So once that's dried down at the edge of the glue, that's where I cut. That's why I put the makeup on, so I can see where my hair starts and, you know, where the ball cap stops, so I don't cut off my hair. Okay. My cut is off. Sometimes I keep it up, sometimes I keep it down. It just depends on what I'm feeling for the day. Okay. So first, I don't know why I'm yelling. So this is I believe it's a 9x6. Y'all look at this. I literally, all I did was like bleach the knots, but like it's plucked. She's plucked so pretty, so I don't really have to do that much. I love that. I love that for me. And it comes with the elastic band. I'm putting that back on. It comes with these little clips on the side, but I don't really wear them glueless. I wear them with the intention on wearing it more than one day. So I don't like the clips. If I don't have to have the clips, I won't have the clips in them. And then I'll go in with my black Opal and Carob. It's a cream concealer. Just take a dense brush, and then I just rub it all over the lace. Like this, I feel like this is the step that has brought my installs from, y'all know when the lace be a little ashy. If it's ashy, it ain't nothing going on the inside. You just put it on the top part. But it be doable. But it's like when you it's doable. But if I do a video, yeah, like with my reels, when I do a video, like it's a whole lot of flashback. Like my iPhone 15 Pro Max, it pick up like literally everything. So like with this camera, I'm using the Canon M200. It doesn't like pick up the ash as much. Like this camera's right here and my phone is right here. Two totally different qualities. Like the iPhone 15 quality is chef's kiss, but it picks up entirely too much. Like you making my job too much hard. Like you're making my job harder than it has to be. So no. So I just rub that in. Put this brush to the side. But it's a I want to say it's a 9x6. So I need to figure out where I need to start putting the glue, and then where I need for it to stop. Yeah, because the last time I had like a wig like this, it was top tier, because it was like, it was giving frontal. Yeah, y'all see that? Like it literally stops like right here. Like that's what I'm saying. Like, do I want to glue this down? I really don't. And like part of me, I don't like how they plucked this wig, because it looked like what is it called, like a hair transplant. That's what it's giving. Like on like when I look in the mirror, it's giving hair transplant. And that definitely is not the look I'm trying to go for. That's not the look we're trying to achieve. So I'm just trying to get it in the right spot. Right, pretty much, well, yeah, where my temples. That's where it ends. Okay. We'll start with that. Cute little dots, but you know, I don't have patience for it, so mine a little messy. So be better than me. But sometimes 99% of the time, like, yeah, my installs turn out exactly how I need them to. Okay. And then I just let it dry. I think I'm gonna do 2 layers and we're gonna be good. 2 layers. But we're doing crimps. If you didn't notice by the back. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah, we're doing crimps. And it was like, it's a 20-inch. And I cut it into a long bob. Yeah, I just cut off like the little straggly ends. But I got this off Amazon, girl. Yeah, don't let nobody ever tell you can't get no wig off Amazon, because yeah, Amazon is that girl. She's that girl. And then while I go in and let my wig melt, I'm gonna start on my makeup. I think I'm gonna go for the no baby hair look. I think that's what we're gonna do today. So we'll see.
Falling asleep, so he sent me out to walk around with myself up because a tiny, fragile baby's life is in my very tired hands. It's frightening.
Of course not. It's awesome. Only things are sleep right now. You're challenged. We're saving lives.
I'm making phone calls.
Life-saving phone calls.
You're only work.
And saving lives.
He's doing surgeries for me.
Cleaning. No, resurgence. When all this means waiting, resurgence. We're going.
Oh, hell. God, I love this job. Mr. Crossley, you need to put your wife down. I've got urgent special training.
I'm not putting her down. If I put her down, she goes down. We're doctors. We can help.
So nice.
Yes, we did. I feel like that's like super
I can't help.
super thin. Yeah. I don't like that. So hopefully you can't tell, like once I get everything together. Yeah, 'cause I don't, what, like why would they do that? Like it don't look bad, but like it need a little bit more hair right there. So we gonna see. Okay. Okay. Let's start on this side. Go in with Chi. Okay. Spray a generous amount. I go in with my Foxy Bay. Go in with my Foxy Bay crimp irons. I just go through the hair. They get really, really hot, so it doesn't really take me that long to crimp anything. And I would be using a clip, but I don't have one, and I really don't feel like going back down the hallway for nothing. And on the top piece, I don't go all the way up. Like, I leave at least like 2 inches off the top that I don't crimp. Okay. And I just let it sit. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I need to go get some clips, because this is not gonna work. Okay, but yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna do my makeup, and then we'll go back to the hair. I'm going in with the e.l.f. primer, power grip, and niacinamide. Okay. Then I go in with the Brow Benefits Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil in number 6. It might look like number 9, but yeah, 6. Okay. And I've already gone in with my MAC Brow Setting Gel. Okay. And all I do is draw a line underneath, and then I sharpen them, I define them on the tail. And like I brush in the front piece. Brush in the front piece. Okay. I'm trying to learn to put everything back in its place after I use it, so I don't lose it. So if it takes me a little longer to do my makeup, that's why. That's why. Oh, I forgot. Last step. Forgot to. There you gotta blend it out. Yeah. Okay. And then I like the Stila Stay All Day Balayage Brow to fill in. It just fills it in a little bit better than just using just a pencil. Okay. And then I go in with my black opal again, with my black opal carob. Okay. Okay. And then I go in with the Morphe Bronze Snow. I've become a bronze girly for pretty much everything, especially eyeshadow. Like, I like to look like myself. Like, I like, you know, I just want a little razzle dazzle. That's it. That's all. Like, I don't want to look in the mirror and just be like, you know, who is that? I still want to look like me. So then, what do I do next? And I think I'm going in with the DANESSA MYRICKS Yummy Skin Blurring Balm and the Blurring Balm Powder and the number 9. Okay. And then I go in with a flat brush. First, what I do is I go over my dark spots first. Like, I let that sit. Y'all, like, every time I put this on, it gives like this sheen. I don't know, it's like, you can tell it's like hydrating. Like, every time I put it on. Trying to put up everything as I go, so that's the less I have to clean up. And then I go in with a dense brush. I'm gonna use this one and just pat it in, because I feel like when I use like kind of like a brush more on the fluffier side, it doesn't spread it out. It just, you know, it picks up everything that I'm putting on more so. Like, look at that. It's like literally my skin, but better. Because I already know. I think I need to push this back just a wee bit. Just a wee bit. And then I go in with my concealer. I think I'm gonna try Old Faithful again. The LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm trying to record on my phone and for Instagram and for YouTube all at the same time. Well, short content and long form content all at the same time, because I upload on shorts as well. Oh yeah, I think this is gonna look so pretty. Okay, and I'll let that dry down just a little bit, just a smidgen, just a smidgen. And then I think I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill. Yeah. I'm gonna try using a triangle sponge. I tried this yesterday. When I tell y'all, my makeup literally ate down. Like with the little sponge thingy. I don't know, it don't pick it up like a brush kind of does, like a sponge kind of does. It just pats it in. Like, I had literally no creasing yesterday, like none whatsoever. Okay. I go in on my nose, forehead. Just giving a little ashy. But just trust the process, just trust the process. And then I go in with Born This Way. Okay. Yeah, because I think that kind of made my face a little white. I don't like that. I don't really even like putting, but like my mustache, it's just there, all there. So we gotta do something like that. I think it's this light that makes it seem like it's just so harsh. Yeah, because like when I'm looking in the mirror right here, it's not, when I'm looking in the mirror, when I'm looking at my phone, like it's not that harsh. So I'm thinking it has to be, well, I need to turn something down on my camera. So I think that's why I be like, I be feeling like halfway through, I be feeling like I look crazy, but I just need to turn down some settings. Like put something on it when I edit it, so it don't look so crazy. Okay. All right. And then I go in. Yes. Find this. And cinnamon. Because I used this yesterday. So I'm gonna do exactly what I did yesterday and see if it makes a difference. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Nothing. Something. And I'm noticing like when I go in with a setting powder that's like my skin tone, and then go back in with a brighter one on top of it, it just looks so much prettier. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, that tones it down though. That's what I'm thinking. It tones it down I like a whole lot. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the black Opal True Color Soft Velvet Finishing Powder in the color medium. Okay. Ooh, why ain't sticking? Yeah, that's tough. Cause like on my camera, it picks up more yellow. But then if you look on my phone, it's more peachy. Like it has like a a warmer tint to it. So then I go back in with Bronze Snow and I contour. Yes. Ooh. I think truthfully. Okay. It doesn't seem like it's like so truthfully, I don't even think I've been recording. Not on this. I know I had my phone set up. Yeah, I feel like I've done like a lot and it hasn't been recorded. And then I go into contour. Well, bring some color back to my nose because it really don't. My point don't be to make my nose seem smaller. It needs some dimension like right here. And then I go back in here. I don't think I've been, I was about to say, I thought I did all this hard work and it was gone. It was gone. I just knew it was gone. Save it. Okay. This is so much easier when everything goes back to where it's supposed to go. Okay. And then I go in. Ooh. Ooh. Face. I'm going with the pink. Oh, she said stop. She said, oh. She said, stop it. She said, that's